Good morning, everyone. Just like to introduce our latest screen size. This is a 2.5 by 10.5 inch wide display meant for very small dash pods. It's a surface mount display which you can mount with hardware on top of the dash, as opposed to those looking for an OEM finish. With our open panel display, this monitor comes with a case and bezel for quick mount. And as you can see with this particular graphic, we have an oil pressure gauge, engine temperature, gear select if that's available on your CAN bus. We can display gear, speed in the middle, linear tachometer across the top, kilometer, mile per hour indicator. Then we have odometer. Currently says minus 5,000. I haven't loaded that data yet, but that will increment and save. We have a voltmeter. The right and the bottom right is fuel level with approximate range. Let's go for a drive. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a very bright day today, so we're seeing this in full resolution and sunlight readable brightness. The screen is approximately 70 to 80% on its brightness level, so it will go a bit brighter if needed. With these gauges, in particular the engine temperature, it will come alive at around 100 degrees F to give you more resolution on the bar. So it's currently showing one green bar. As it gets into full range, you'll see that come up. And when it gets into a danger zone, it will actually turn red and give you a warning message across the bottom of the display. Right tachometer as well. If you have a manual transmission, there's a shift point which can be modified by the user, and that band will turn from a light blue to a yellow to indicate your shift. And just run through the gears here as well. You can hear the gear select move. If you have manual mode in your transmission, you can also select through the gears. What else can I tell you about this? Turn signals and high beam indicator also available here as analog inputs, or we can grab it from the CAN bus as well if we have the CAN ID information. We can pull most of this off the CAN bus and make it very plug and play. We can also incorporate digital inputs and analog inputs for additional sensors like transmission temperature or air fuel ratio. We can also cycle through menus and change the display. Okay, this is our 12.3 widescreen monitor. As you can see, it's a little big for this vehicle, and it's currently mounted in a cradle because this is a daily driver. But this screen also has a bezel case for those that want a quick mount as opposed to building their own bezel and mounting it like an OEM finish. As you can see, we have gear on the right, fuel level and voltage. On the left side, oil pressure and engine temperature. Tach in the middle, and speed odometer right below. Just a wider view, you can see the screen a little large for this car, but it still looks fairly good through the steering wheel. This screen would probably fit nicely in larger sports vehicles or Lincolns, Cadillacs, that sort of thing. It's about 5.5 inches tall by 11 inches wide. So you may need to modify your dash pod or just mount it on top for a quicker solution. And if you have any customized requests, if you want to see a specific video or feature, please let me know. We do customization of these systems right down to putting your personal vehicle on screen. We can animate the doors being open and the lights, headlights or high beams coming on, that sort of thing. So please reach out to me. Email me at info@lcd-.com, or just reply to the video here in the comment section and we can talk one-on-one.